Greetings, Earthlings. Today we're going to discuss something not quite out of this world. How to use suppositories. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dr. Alien, is this really necessary? Trust me, it is. And don't worry, I'll make it as painless as possible, just like the process itself. Step 1. Before anything, it's essential to empty your bowels. You don't want any unexpected interruptions later. Once that's out of the way, wash your hands. Cleanliness is key. You're handling a medical product here, not preparing for an intergalactic mission. Next, carefully remove the foil or plastic wrapping from the suppository. It's kind of like unwrapping a small gift, except this one is going in. Well, you get the idea. Now, find a comfortable position. You can either squat like you're bracing for space turbulence, or lie on your side with one leg bent and the other straight, whatever makes you feel more grounded. Here comes the fun part. Gently but firmly, push the suppository into your rectum, pointed end first. Yes, this part might sound strange, but you're doing it right. Be sure to push it far enough so it doesn't slip out. Nobody wants a runaway suppository. Once it's in, close your legs and sit or lie still for a few minutes. If you feel the urge to expel the suppository, stay calm. Lie still, press those buttocks together, and remember, this is all part of the process. Finally, wash your hands again. You've just completed a delicate mission, and now it's time to let your body work its magic. Oh, and a quick tip. Try not to empty your bowels for at least an hour. Let the suppository do its thing before your body sends it back on its way. And there you have it, folks. Simple, effective, and just a little bit out of this world. Until next time, capsule closed, prescription filled.